In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AutoCorrect feature in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to turn it on, what it does, and how to use the suggestions it provides to clean up your emails quickly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine, such as Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, begin a new message by clicking New Mail. This opens the Compose window and gives us access to the writing tools we need. Next, look for Options within the Compose window. This is where Outlook groups message-related settings and tools, and it's the entry point to the editing features we want to adjust. Now, find and click the editor icon near the top left of the Compose window. This is Microsoft's built-in spelling and grammar helper. In the panel that appears, choose Editor Settings to open the Detailed Configuration menu. These settings control how Outlook helps you correct typos and maintain consistent formatting as you type. Within Editor Settings, turn on the toggle labeled Enable AutoCorrect. With this enabled, Outlook will automatically fix many common typing mistakes as you go, saving you from backtracking to correct small errors later. Right below that, you can also enable auto-capitalization. Turning this on ensures the first letter of your sentences is capitalized automatically, which helps keep your messages polished without extra effort. When you're done, click OK to save your changes and close the settings. Your preferences are now active for the Compose window. Let's see how this works in practice. As you type your email, if a word is misspelled or looks off, Outlook will underline it to catch your attention. Depending on the type of issue, you might see a wavy underline. If AutoCorrect recognizes a common typo, it may fix it instantly. Otherwise, it will mark it so you can choose the right correction. When you spot an underlined word, click it to view Outlook's suggestions. A small menu will appear with one or more corrected spellings or phrasing options. Select the suggestion that matches what you intended, and Outlook will replace the word for you. It's fast, reliable, and helps you send messages that look professional. That's it. You opened Outlook, started a new message, went into Options, opened Editor Settings, enabled AutoCorrect and auto-capitalization, saved, and used the suggestions. With these settings on, writing clean, confident emails becomes much easier.